from Collision Hub. We're back with our friends from Celette here at SEMA 2019. Bob, we've been waiting for this for a long time. We're super excited. The Eagle has finally landed. Tell us what's going on here.
Yeah, the Eagle has landed and it's on sale now. We're taking orders and we will start delivering end of December, beginning of the year. So get in touch with Celette, Celette.com, or call us at our headquarters in Lombard, Illinois, or San Dimas, California.
Cool. So we did a little show last year about the Eagle. Give everybody just a real quick refresher what exactly we're looking at here.
The Eagle's the ultimate blueprinting tool. No calibration to the car as far as it goes to the measuring system. You hang it on the car, it's automatically calibrated to that plane. Shoot the first target, move on to the next target, measure the whole car in under 10 minutes.
And a pretty good price point too, right?
Yeah, we're under $10,000, $9,900.
All right, now we've got some new universal truck clamps available from Celette this year. What do we got going on here?
Yeah, that's right, Jason. First time ever being seen, the new Celette universal truck clamps. And right now we've got them set up on the 2019 Chevy full frame truck, and they do work along with our universal Cameleon set as well.
Okay, cool. Let's go take a look at what else we got. So Cameleon's got a new upper body tool for measuring, correct?
Yes, as you know, in the past, when we built just dedicated fixtures for certain platforms, we would have the A, B, C, even going across the windshield pillar, upper body measuring fixtures. So we're very excited now to introduce that as the next addition to the Cameleon set. As we can see here, we have them mocked up on the A pillar for this Chevy pickup truck.
Now you've also got a new MIG and MAG machine available.
Yes, Celette just launched a full line of wire welders, MIG MAG machines.
So this will do steel, MIG brazing, and aluminum with a spool gun.
Yes, that's correct, Jason.
Awesome. And what about this smart repair station? Is this something new for you as well?
Yes, smart repair is something that we're just launching now. We have a couple systems available as far as frame machines in conjunction with some smart repair systems. And this will also do steel and aluminum.
Steel and aluminum for dent repair, steel and aluminum for MIG MAG welding. That's fantastic.
Correct.
So awesome, cool. Well, thanks for your time, Bob, this afternoon. Really appreciate it. And from Celette 2019 SEMA show.